Alrighty then, crypto freaks, welcome back to my channel, and let's cut all this bullshit regarding trades and everything, and let's start talking about cryptocurrency that is going to make us fat stacks. You know, I've been doing a lot of investments for a very long time in cryptocurrency, and all of them turned out very well. There is only two options for me: or I'm going to make small money or big money. There is no other way around, like losing money, because proper risk management is helping me everywhere. If there is some risky asset, I'm just investing smaller amounts. If there is something fantastic about something that I know really well, like let's say Ondo, I would definitely go balls deep into that coin, and this coin can cover all my expenses. But imagine if all of them will go up. That's some heavy multiplier. So portfolio diversification is something that we need to remember always. Okay, cryptocurrency might die one day and it'll be a pretty sad story. But so far how world is moving and everyone is moving towards cryptocurrency, and my expenses and everything is almost everywhere in cryptocurrency except just regular stores, and even online sometimes I'm buying with cryptocurrency. I can tell you, I really see crypto is going to be like #1 thing, and gold will be replaced, but it's other topic. And you know, you can Google Ilya Asky and find me online, and I'm shilling cryptocurrency for 12 years. So I'm voting for the second option, where cryptocurrency is not dying. Let's start with the basics. ENA, Ethena. Guys, banks are freaking shocked. 5% APY in cryptocurrency is something that we want to talk about. It used to be 15 though, but due to Ethereum prices fluctuation, that's why it went so low. But we're still good. Binance, Arthur Hayes, those guys are baking it. And additionally, 6 more tier 1 companies, they are baking it too. And they're just throwing all their cash into that. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I want to be with them. Those guys are making 100x, 200x, 400x on returns. And I want to be part of that. Even 5x is not too shabby for me. Now let's talk about something really interesting. You all want Ethereum, but I will give you Ether. This is GPU in action. What is this? You are renting out your graphic cards and all those powers and whatever you have and earn tokens. Why buy? Because Nvidia and Microsoft are buying it. Yeah, there is a video where I'm hating artificial intelligence only because of some bullshit and overhype, but in fact, guys, this thing is still stupid so far, but it'll get improved. GPU demand will skyrocket. Yes, there are some risks, like Render is doing fantastic job, but the thing is, Render has been already pumped, so I prefer this one. Imagine computer from 2015 or 2017 is giving you money. Hell yeah, I'm down to make money like that. And now is the real deal. It's demo. Sell your car's data, like mileage, speed, acceleration and everything, and get crypto for that. Imagine you're just driving for the work and you're getting crypto. It's like mining with your car. Why buy? Is because Toyota and General Motors are already on it, so they're testing the technology, and it's the first time when insurance companies will pay you. Of course they'll be scamming you and selling services and everything, but at least they'll be giving you discounts because you will be showing them all that stuff. You know that it's the biggest scam in the world, those insurance companies. For example, in America, in my case, I was paying $700 for 2 cars a month. Imagine I can just get third car for this money. I've never used it, and if you ask them to pay for some services if something is needed, they'll be trying to find excuses. Pro tip, I'm actually legally dead for Geico because I just don't want to waste money. Those guys will sell their souls to the devil just to be able to scam you more. Let's say your insurance is going to be $1,000, but they will call you and tell you, okay, if you give us all the data that you have, we are going to give you a discount. And of course, you will need to sign something because they just want to share and sell this data for more. But anyways, it'll give you chances to make some money with your data. And let's go to the next one, ACX, Across Protocol. ACX is a bridge without traffic jams. Yeah, that exists. Cross-chain transfers fast and cheap, no more wait 15 minutes crap. Why buy? Fees are 3 times lower than competitors. Arbitrum and Optimism already use it. Risks? Layer 0 might outdo them. For now, if you want to move USDC to Arbitrum or Base, it's easy, take them. And another one, Xai Games, of course. Games equal cash. What is this? This is the platform with NFTs, and NFTs are not useless JPEGs. These are actual money. Why buy? because kids are getting dumber. Remember how stupid we were like 20 years ago and what stupid shit we were doing. And now kids are even more dumber. They're just like playing games and that's it. They don't do basically anything. And now imagine future generations. Watch Idiocracy. This thing is so futuristic and prophetic. Kids will keep degenerating in games and you will make money on that. Why not profit? Risks? Yeah, might take years or never happen. But if it does, it's like some platforms like Steam. You can sell your stuff and withdraw your money using some platforms. But those guys are going to be having all this functionality on their platform. And of course, I'll give you bonus of 5 tokens because those are not bullshit now. Ondo, it's a black rock in crypto. Buy tokens, get exposure to real bonds. Digitalize everything. Pendle, trade future yields. It's complex but profitable. They have a lot of documentation on the website, so even the dumbest person can understand what it is and how to use it. AXL, it's a blockchain's postman. Fast, easy, no bullshit. Arweave, guys, you probably remember this token that I was giving you 4 years ago. This is probably the only token that I have that is old, has been pumped before, but not over pumped. Otherwise, I wouldn't be investing into that. It's pretty good. It's basically like a Google disk, but on a blockchain. So you can store your data forever. You can store their pictures. It's pretty good cause, you know. Family won't last forever, but you will see those memories online forever until you know, let's go to the next. Pepe is the thing that survived your portfolio, I'm pretty sure. It's ultimately for degens. I do have some Dogecoin, but the thing is, Dogecoin is because Elon Musk in the States right now, it's pretty cool to hate Musk for no reason and try to find the reason. And that's why I do have some Pepe, because yeah, it's a frog, it's a meme, but it's not as stupid meme as others, because those were just printed like crazy. This one is the first, or one of the first cool funny things. And let's do some risk disclaimer. If BTC crashes, altcoins will go 30, 50, 70% lower. And if you are even thinking right now, oh no, it can't go lower, trust me, it'll always go there, and once it knocks you off, this is when the reversal will come into place. Another one is regulators can come down really hard. And of course, any project can rug pull. I hold about 350 coins, and some of them are kind of trashy, some of them are super dope like Ondo, let's say, or Plume, or even Usual, even though you can see that it's dipping like crazy. But 1-2 winners from the legit ones will cover all losses. And if you want to know more, it's all in my Telegram channel. And by the way, if you are still watching until this point, please go to the description and find there is a private key for the Stellar Lumens wallet. You probably know, you must know how to withdraw or just watch some video, and I was teaching you how to withdraw money. So thank you very much for watching the video, and this is a little sign of appreciation that you are my guest watching and getting some knowledge, because I started all that only because of the lack of knowledge of some people, and I just want to make it better. And by the way, in the end, please add CD. Those are 2 letters in the end of the private key that will make it complete. Thank you very much. Let's continue. You might want to ask me when to buy, tell me. Okay, so here's the thing. As I was posting in this Telegram channel that I just posted, we are right now at the resistance. And after that, I assume price is going to go down like hardcore, and we might retest the lows. The range from 66,000 to 72,000 is the place where I'm going to be picking my altcoins like a balls deep. I'm going to spend all my money that I have for them. Even if you are buying something there, you are guaranteed to have 10% or something at the beginning. And don't tell me about, oh, this is small return. If you do this like 5 times a year with like full money that you have, believe me, this will make you a lot more richer than other people who are trying to just gamble with X thousand, X 100,000 or something, and they don't get it. It's just like a lottery. Some people get it, but it's just only like 1 or 2. So basically these 5 coins, they can help you to escape wage slavery. Miss it and you'll be the guy who was telling you to sell when Bitcoin was 10,000. By the way, you might remember on my Twitter right now, it's X, how I was buying all that stuff for 3,200, then for 8,200 and further. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a fantastic day.